The world is a mirror through which we can see ourselves. Every mirror is different, and every mirror is distorted. Through looking in more and more mirrors, we begin to piece together a true image of who we are. In the quest to know oneself, to learn of the deep drives that motivate and steer our lives, there are few things better to do than travel. To put ourselves in a variety of novel circumstances that show us new and different sides of ourselves. The last 2 years was the longest stretch of time that I've spent not traveling since I became an adult. And surprisingly, during lockdown, I actually felt okay about it. I think my subconscious saved me, repressing a lot of the feelings and thoughts that would have sent me spiraling into depression or anger. But now, suddenly, with a quick trip to Quebec City and Montreal for Christmas, and then a 36-hour layover in Florida on the way home that I spent driving from Miami to Key West and back again, it's all just come flooding back out again. I feel suddenly this great tidal wave of emotion for everything that's happened over the last 2 years. I can't believe that I actually spent 2 years of my life not doing the thing that I love the most. Grabbing a bag, getting on a plane, and going somewhere I've never been before. When I stay in one place for too long, I start to believe the distortion of whatever mirror is there. I settle into a routine of comfort and complacency, and I lose a bit of my awe and wonder and excitement for life. In the immortal words of Jack Kerouac, we were all delighted. We all realized we were leaving confusion and nonsense behind and performing our one noble function of the time: move.